up, YouTube? It's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. This video is gonna be me installing this wig. I wanted to show y'all the wig before I style and prep it because I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm only gonna be installing it in this video. This is an Amazon wig that I purchased. It's a 13x6 24-inch water wave. I don't know, right here. See it? And it's called Human Hair Wigs Lace Front. Yeah, this is what it's called. This is how the package looks. It came in this yellow goodie bag. With some wig caps. Deluxe 2 wig caps. And the wig, of course. I'm gonna show y'all how it look before I wash it and all that. Like I just said. That's how it look. 24 inches. The net. Oops, stuck in my. Oh, it's giving body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. This is my first black water wave. If y'all remember on my Christmas video, Christmas wish list video, I said I wanted one of these. And I got it. They're soft. It doesn't have a smell. Now most hair stink. It don't stink at all. And this is the length. This is the lace. I'm gonna bleach the knots. This is how it look. I'm bleaching, I'm plucking, I'm doing all that good stuff. I will be wearing this wig for senior night, cheer senior night. I'm gonna vlog that game because it's gonna be my last game, y'all. So excited. So excited. Yeah, it's senior night. And this is what it's giving. It's not bad, not bad. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how it look before I do my little whoop to it to get it right. Y'all gonna see me with my cornrows in the next clip. Bye. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go in the bathroom and start my hair. I'm not gonna be talking during the process. Your nigga dreams. I'm a hoe to skinny, but whoever in between. Gangsta bitch, JT, man, you ain't haven't heard from the ops, yeah, they ain't said a thing. I be damn, nigga, you know who I am, nigga. Long way from break a closet full of scams, nigga. Bitches on my dick, pretty like a trans, nigga. Sit this pussy on his chin in a chin, chillin', 50 flows up. Can't hop out my coupe unless I lift the doors up. Tell my nigga Twin-Turbo V8 the motor. Self-esteem drop every time I show up. Yeah, wrist doing 80 in a 35. Shut Marty down for some 30 slides. And I ain't gotta do a motherfucking thing. I ain't gotta do a motherfucking thing, bitch. What you working with? 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 I'm a city girl, bitch. Second verse, so you hating asshole. Who get mad every time I strike a pose? I'm ripped down from my head to my toes. Hood bitch dressed like a weirdo. Run away now, I'm stepping in some wrong way. Bitch, you can't fuck with me on your birthday. Bring my real bitches, coil in your JPay. You gon' be home, fuck what the judge say. I'm low key, bitches fuck with my desire. I'm prayed up and I'm waiting on a robbery. I'm the hype, nah, y'all ain't gotta hype me. I'm that bitch, give a fuck who don't like me. It's grind time, no flaws. Pulled out the truck and put the portion. These bitches tired, they exhausted. Got bitches panning for this dark skin. Bitch, I'm ready from the trenches. Wear shots, I ain't talking about syringes. Yeah, I'm ready from the trenches. Pretty ass lips make these bitches cop syringes. Mwah. No balls. And I ain't gotta do a motherfucking thing. I ain't gotta do a motherfucking thing, bitch.
Got a white boy on my roster. He be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay. Hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out Brazil. Matter of fact, scratch that. I'ma see you with that just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up a Mercedes. I got hoes.
Y'all want to see Harmony when she was little?
Area codes.
Hold on. Wait.
Face. Who's Elijah, girl? We gonna go with the wet look. I'll do my edges tomorrow.
Got a nigga, yeah, he from the trap. He low key, stay off the mouth. Anytime I need some money, he said pull up, cause it gotta be cash. Pushed up, he can sign it down. He like, babe, you ain't never around. When nigga, I gotta put up in the dirt, cause why you ain't never in town? I'm out of the way with Pablo. This nigga swear that he your chopper. He know not to play in my face, cause I swear it's hard for him to keep my calm, huh? He be tweaking cause he in my vato. In his pockets like I hit the lotto. I'ma get to this money.
We don't like a time crunch.
I got hoes.
But I'm gonna let this sit on my hair while I clean up. This hair is super soft. Lace is super nice. I bleached the knots, by the way. Y'all, this is how it look right now. It's cute. She giving. Y'all see it. Period. I'm about to go though. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay, I'm back home, y'all. While I took my shower and stuff, I had my hair in an elastic band, and I sprayed some of this back on it just to lay the lace down some more because I had to cut some excess off. Let's see, y'all ready? But yeah, I ain't free. It's in the braid because, like I said, I just came from out the shower. I look real breezy. I was gonna touch my face, but I was like, nah, I just washed my face. That's what's out of the way. I didn't do the edges right. Not gonna lie, it's late. It's 11:55. I got school in the morning. Oh Lord. Well, tomorrow's senior night.
To the yard and it came back fatter. She keep it 100, gotta throw a stack at her. Her she got a man, don't none of that matter. Act bad.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below how I did. These are the edges. I'm not really feeling them. I want them to be fluffy, so I gotta wait for them to dry for me to fluff them out. And y'all see how that'll look in my senior night vlog from Cheer. It's gonna be the next video after this. I got so many videos to edit, y'all don't even understand. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. I really like this wig. Yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I really love it. This is the lace up close, y'all. I feel like I did pretty good. Cause I feel like I did pretty good. If y'all have any tips for me, please comment them down below, and we'll see if I make another wig install video. How those tips help me out. Comment down below. Did I say rate it? Rate this look 1 through 10. Would you buy this wig? If so, I'm gonna put the link down below. Make sure y'all click. It was very affordable, and I believe I said this was 24 inches. I showed y'all the pack at the beginning of the video. I don't even remember myself. But that's it for today, and I'm out. Bye, guys.